Oh, he shut you up, Tuti.
Oof.
My phone's too smart for video. Sorry.
It's a cat hunting.
Oh crap!
Yo,
ready for
look at his eyes on the video.
Hunt for that nigga.
You going to jail now?
Oh!
You going to jail now?
Don't get scared.
Eyes on the video.
Oh, I saw it.
They're bright up. We look like idiots filming a cat.
Dude, you're not even filming the cat.
Yeah, I gotta look at
Oh,
him.
man.
Don't be scared.
We need Daniel's light too.
Light it
Have
up!
a small penis. It's gonna be awesome in the video. You spit.
Alright, light it up, light it up. We need more light.
You filming or not?
Go.
Yeah, we
use
are.
yours too. So
I'm
you
filming.
so you can see him more.
But this nigga's retarded, I'm
Use yours
telling you.
too.
My phone's too smart.
Calm the fuck down.
Hey, guys.
Can't curse in the video.
Exactly. It's gonna waste so much of my back.
Alright, go. Your phone's on, dude. Wait. It doesn't know how to film.
¿Qué más? Ah, no puedo ir. Ya, bye.
It's gonna be a good video.
Ok, ya no pude, bye.
He's hunting.
Look at the cat.
Oh, he's crushing himself. Oof.
No. ¿Por qué no? Ma, bye.
He's talking to his mom.
Bro, tell your mom. ¿Por qué no pudimos ir? Stop calling you.
Your mom has big tits.
Oh, really? Yo.
¿Qué? We should put a mustache on. Mami, no sé, por favor. Llamo de ahorita. Estoy haciendo algo. Stop speaking Portuguese.
I bet she thinks he's doing weed.
Damn, she's like, why didn't you go to the park?
That's good, you didn't go. Now she has to be warriors. And damn. Retarded as fuck.
What a difference.
You had like the most retarded mom here.
This cat's so famous.
Don't do that, kids. You're the most retarded people. I said people. The most retarded guy.
I know the guy.
Ciao. Follow that nigga. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
So we're gonna get
Fuck! He left.
videos from him.